Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today's recipe is musk melon sorbet. For this we need one medium-sized musk melon, remove the seeds, remove the skin and cut them into small pieces. The melon pieces are ready. I'm going to close it tight and freeze this for around 10 to 12 hours. This is after 10 hours. The fruit is almost solid. We can take it out. Make sure the fruit is frozen properly. Now we can transfer this into a mixie jar, and we are going to add quarter cup of condensed milk and blend this into a fine paste. This is ready. This has to be creamy and smooth. Now transfer this into an airtight container. Freeze this again for an hour. Don't over freeze, otherwise this will become very solid. This is perfect. We can scoop it. Our creamy muskmelon sorbet is ready. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.